Anusha. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to yet another new video. So it's a haul video, and recently I had got like bunch of new clothing stuff. So I was like, why not to give you guys a haul of it? And other than that, I'm really disappointed today because I don't like what's happening in my life. Whenever I try to be organized and I try to be like, I would keep my stuff, I would keep my essentials organized so that I do not, miss it somewhere. Tabhi the more unorganized part happens. Like the zodiac sign Cancer wala pendant which I used to wear. I was going to sleep and the evening it was like really hot. So I was like, I'm gonna take it out and would put it on a table that was beside my bed. I was like, I'm gonna keep it here, and when I would get up, I would wear it after that. Now, after that, when I got up, I was having my tuition, so I didn't, you know, remembered it that I had kept my pendant there, and I went to coaching. And now, when I had came back, it isn't there, and nobody knows. I asked my sister, I asked my mom, and they don't know. So I don't know what's happening. जितना मैं organized रहना चाह रही हूँ उतना ही मेरा सामान खो रहा है. If you have seen my last video, you would be knowing कि मैं अपना lip gloss खोआ चुकी हूँ और अब मेरा pendant खो गया. Other than that, मेरा earring भी खो गई है. Earring का सिर्फ एक पेयर रखा है, मतलब एक earring रखा है एक कान का, दूसरा खो गया है. And literally I'm getting insane. I'm so pissed off. मतलब जितना I wanna be organized उतना ही भगवान जी is making unorganized. I do not want to, but I don't know why all this kalesh is happening in my life. But to make my evening better, what all I could do is to make a coffee, which I had did, and I hope so it tastes good, although it smells good. But okay, let's start the haul. I need to finish it as fast as possible because I have to study, and this sir that I think I should take a medicine discipline. Okay, where's here is hearing, guys. May keep my laptop kahin aaram se piche. Okay, the most comfiest tops I'm starting off with. Okay, and I should get a little aside so that यहाँ पे मैं अपना video insert कर पाऊँ, so that you could see like how it had been looking like, और पीछे का view भी अच्छा आना चाहिए. So yeah, the first top is this one. This is really, my coffee was about to fall. Okay, let me keep it here. Okay, the first top is this one. This is so comfortable. I got it like for daily wear to coaching because itni garmi mein I can't wear top. So this is like the t-shirt I have got. By the way, this are from a random store I have got, okay? So it's not from online or something like that. It's just from a random store. So this is the one. Looks pretty. I did had similar to this one when I was a kid. Like, I'm still a kid, but when I was more younger, I think when I was like 14, 13, something like that. Now I am 18. So yeah, I did had the similar one at that time, like the similar print one. These are like the arrows and stars on it, and this is like so comfortable and oversized. I love oversized t-shirt. They're so comfortable. So yeah, good. 5 out of 5. Recommended by me. I don't know where you would get it, but yeah. Now next one is also like the top. ये इतना चिंगुड़ा हुआ है because I had wore it. I went to my coaching and I wore it. फिर उसके बाद आके I have make it like a ball and put it in my wardrobe. So this is how it looks like. It's also so cute. Where is इसका कपड़ा जो है lining का है, means like it's not पूरा plain top t-shirt, and this is quite comfortable, and it's also like really oversized. To take इतना oversized t-shirt कि अगर मैं medium पहनती तो I would take like XL or double XL. So this is the one I got. इसमें size तो नहीं mention है because like it's from local store, but it's cute. Like you can see, it's oversized. Yeah, then I'm having a top. It's like a body fit top here. I do not like इतना ज़्यादा ये तरह के top because it's just fitted on your body so well. इसलिए I do not mostly like it, but I have got it. Like I would wear it as इसके ऊपर से I would have like shrug, denim shrug, then would have oversized, little oversized jeans. That wide length wala jeans. I hope I have described it well to you guys. So yeah, but this one is the top. It looks pretty cute. I got it like बहुत सस्ता ये वाला टॉप तो I think it's for 200. उस तरह का कपड़ा भी है 200 के हिसाब से. It's not like इसका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है. 200 का है तो 200 के जैसा कपड़ा ही है. कंपनी सुनो तो it seems like कि भाई लुइस विटॉन से कम नहीं है. Henny's collection. It's in small size. So yeah, this is the top. I'm waiting for the time कि जब मेरा weight कम हो तो मैं इसको पहनूं so that my body fit well in it, you know. Then as Navratri is coming, so I have got like a festive top. मैं कहीं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ, मेरे को पढ़ना रहेगा. मैं इतना पढ़ना बोलती हूँ. You know मेरे स्टडी आवर्स ज़्यादा रहते हैं, नॉलेज कम रहती है. आई थिंक इट्स फॉर एवरी साइंस स्टूडेंट. हम लोग के स्टडी आवर्स ज़्यादा रहते हैं, हमारी नॉलेज कम रहती है. कि भाई द पेपर इज़ अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हमारे. सो दैट्स द थिंग. मेरा स्टडी आवर्स ज़्यादा रहता है. मैं चार घंटा तो नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा ही पढ़ती हूँ. मतलब 6 घंटा पढ़ूंगी तो मेरा नॉलेज विल बी इतना ही, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो इफ आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट फिर भी ऐसा ही रहता है. अदर देन दैट आई वाज सेइंग कि फेस्टिवल लाइक आ रहा है, नवरात्रि आ रहा है. सो आई सॉ दिस टॉप एंड आई वाज लाइक नवरात्रि आ रहा है, व्हाई नॉट टू टेक दिस वन. ऑल्दो आई एम नोइंग कि मैं मोस्टली लाइक कहीं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. 90% तो केस यही है कि नहीं जाना है कहीं, बिकॉज हमारे शहर में नवरात्रि का सेलिब्रेशन, नवरात्रि आ रहा है ना, हाँ, उसका सेलिब्रेशन भी ऐसा दिल्ली बॉम्बे वाला टाइप नहीं रहता. तो मेरे को यहाँ कोई भी फंक्शन इंजॉय करने का मन ही नहीं करता, बिकॉज इंजॉयमेंट होता ही नहीं है यहाँ. और मेरी फ्रेंड भी सब एकदम लेजी टाइप, दे वुड ऑल्सो नॉट गो एनीवेयर. और एक तो मेरे फ्रेंड ग्रुप में भी आई हैड लाइक वन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड. ऑब्वियसली उसका फेस्टिवल शी वुड नॉट सेलिब्रेट हम लोग का फेस्टिवल. आई मीन ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, बट ऑब्वियसली है. और व्हेन आई वुड हैव वन मोर फ्रेंड जो कि मेरे घर से तो काफ़ी दूर रहती है, तो and I do had बहुत कम friends. Okay, other than that, yeah, this is the top I have got, which I had told you like festival type है. I don't know why like camera is not doing justice with its beauty. Like it had stones all over it, but yeah, this is how it looks like, and it's like sleeveless one. और मेरे को ये टॉप लेने के लिए मम्मी को इतना कन्विंस करना पड़ा था बिकॉज इट्स स्लीवलेस. और मम्मी, माई मॉम, आई मीन वो दिला देती हैं, बट स्टिल मेरे को थोड़ा बोलना पड़ता है, प्लीज़ दिला दो ये वो. आई वुड स्टाइल इट लाइक दिस, बट या इट्स क्यूट. एंड नाउ आई हैव गॉट लाइक फ्यू पैंट्स. by saying कि कोचिंग जाना रहता है तो आई वुड हैव लाइक कंफर्टेबल पैंट्स एंड स्टफ. आई डोंट want to get a reason to buy clothes. This is all I want to say, and I won't accept it, but that's the fact कि मेरे को छोटा सा भी छोटा रीज़न चाहिए to say कि मेरे को ये कपड़ा क्यों ख़रीदना है. और ऐसा रीज़न ढूंढ के मेरे आधे से ज़्यादा कपड़े खो चुके हैं, because I have like so much of clothes कि मेरा कॉलेज जाने की तैयारी अभी से ही हो गई है. I have like मेरे पास इतना कपड़ा है कि I had put अपना कपड़ा इन 2 सूटकेस में, विच इज़ डाउन देयर. तो आई फेल लाइक कि मेरे कॉलेज कल ही निकलना है, क्योंकि अभी से मेरे कपड़े पैक हैं. तो आई गॉट दिस पैंट. फर्स्ट इज़ इन दिस ब्लू कलर में, एंड इट गोज वेल विद दिस टॉप लाइक यू नो. No, it won't. But yeah, this is like the first one I have got. It's काफ़ी comfortable और इसका मटेरियल भी काफ़ी अच्छा ही है. अब मैं why I sound like that one दुकानदार वाले भैया who is trying to convince their customer कि ये कपड़ा खरीद लो. But yeah, it's quite good, and it's also from like random store I have got it. तो yeah, but it's good. It's for 300 रुपए का. So yeah, win is a win. फिर like this one I got this was for 350. पता नहीं क्यों 50 रुपये महंगा, just because they have tried to make it like a Calvin Klein, सस्ता Calvin Klein. although it's written Marl Coco, which is like कोई brand नहीं है obviously, but yeah, it's like a short pant, ankle length तक का, but also like the material is quite good. It's similar one I had wore currently, but ये वाला Urbanic से था, so it was expensive one, which is like this one is from like local store, but दोनों का quality थोड़ा सा तो अलग है different कपड़े का. इसका कपड़ा is more like soft, and this one is like it's like a more of, you know, party wear type, because थोड़ा सा glittery type है इसका कपड़ा. So yeah, good. Then I have got like one cord set. cord set मैं online इतना देखी थी, but मैं order नहीं किया था, so I finally like got it from that local store. Yeah, you know, like I manifest clothes very easily. काश इतनी आसानी से मैं traveling भी
यही बार लाई था, कोई नहीं था.
इसी तरह काश मैं traveling भी manifest कर लूँ. I want to be in New York City in my 20s, teens, 20s, whatever. Okay. This is the how my cord set looks like. First of all, this is the pants. ये navy blue color है. This is how it pants looks like. काफ़ी अच्छा material है इसका. It was for 1000 rupees. तो उस हिसाब से अच्छा है कपड़ा. So this is how the pant looks like, and this is how it tops look like. और रुको दिखा रही हूँ. देखो ये top कितना मस्त है यार. Night suit feel दे vibe दे रहा है, but I have, you know, wanna wear it जल्दी से. ये पीतल पक चल रहा है तो इस टाइम कुछ नया पहनते नहीं है, तो I am waiting कि खत्म हो तो I would wear all these dresses भाई. But this one is so good. इसमें से if you ask me the best one which I like, definitely gonna be this cord set. This is so pretty you guys, really pretty. और अब मेरे को ये सारे कपड़े रखने रहेंगे अलमारी में, और I hope मेरा pendant मिल जाता. I would literally wanna cry. I had cried because मेरे से अब ये नहीं हो रहा कि I want to be organized, but universe is not supporting me. मैं अपनी पूरी डायरी में लिखी हूँ universe supports me, but it does not. Because इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ में universe नहीं support कर रहा कि I want to be organized. I want to be an organized girl. I want to be a good girl. But नहीं, सामान खो रहा है मेरा. And I'm not irresponsible. मम्मी कहती है बट मैं नहीं मानती. Because अगर I'm not responsible तो मैं क्यों रो रही हूँ मेरा सामान खोया है. मैं रो रही हूँ, that means मैं responsible हूँ. And I try to keep, because इतना organized और क्या चाहिए, मतलब इतना अच्छे से मैंने अपना सारा सामान रखा है, तो और कितना organized रहूँ. और where I was, I forgot where I was. Yeah, all I wanna say is that I need to sleep. Okay, that was this vlog you guys, and you know, I love all the clothes I got, and I'm having my exams day after tomorrow, and I hope ठीक जाए, because अच्छा नहीं जाता, ठीक जाए. Oh, ये भी उतर गया. Okay, I think I should end it here. And if you like this vlog itna sa bhi, this time I'm saying, please like to this video, subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram if you want to. What the hell bhai. So yeah, light chali gayi thi, so I've like on this दूसरा वाला light, golden वाला light is connected to like inverter. So here this vlog ends. Bye, love you guys so much. Lots of love.